On Monday, 28th June, PhilPass, the Philippines Real-Time Gross Settlement System, or RTGS, formally adopted the ISO 20022 payments message format. In doing so, the Philippines joined Japan, Switzerland, mainland China and India in leading the way with ISO 20022 compliance. More than just a simple messaging upgrade, the implementation of ISO 20022 represents a seismic shift towards greater harmonisation and richer data exchange, which will improve banks' operational efficiency, expand business insights, and most importantly, present major opportunities for combating financial crime. At RedCompass Labs, we talk a lot about opening the doors of finance to all and protecting those who enter. In the next 100 seconds, I'm going to walk you through the impact of ISO 20022 on financial crime and explain how banks can use this new data model to not only improve their processes, but as we all want to, help make the world a safer place. Did you know that financial services firms spend over $180 billion on financial crime compliance? Yet less than 1% of global illicit financial flows are detected and investigated? During COVID-19, things got even worse. With financial crime spiralling, banks had no choice but to increase their spending on financial crime specialists and screening systems. And yet, in 2020, fines for non-compliance with anti-financial crime regulations exceeded $14 billion. The reasons for this are numerous. Omissions, poor data quality, and inconsistency in data format, and how empty messages are used, means banks are overloaded with false positives. And since new AI and machine-driven tools are still immature and regulators are cautious, banks are forced to constantly increase their workforce just to maintain compliance, never mind disrupt crime. Also, with enforcement of new regulations like the 6 AMLD in the EU and the Anti-Money Laundering Act in the US, the list of offences and number of required verifications on payments is only going up. But with ISO 20022, the paradigm is about to shift. With more than 200 initiatives worldwide in over 70 countries, ISO 20022 is expected to be a game changer. The new format provides a clearer and enriched dataset for banks to work with, offering unique opportunities to fight financial crime. Here are 3 things banks will be able to do in this space. Firstly, significantly reduce the number of false positives by processing more structured data and receiving details like payment invoices in the remittance information, which will allow them to better understand the context of payments. Secondly, increase efficiency while reducing costs by leveraging data technology, network science, and AI tools. AI and machine learning work better with the new ISO 20022 MX messaging format than the current MT format. This will enhance regulators' trust of new technology and enable banks to reduce costs and increase detection. And thirdly, increase effectiveness by collaborating and exchanging data more easily thanks to the common data format adopted across the industry. Now, unfortunately, my 100 seconds stops here, but let me add one thing. No bank wants to be used to propagate crime, to be a key link in the buying and selling of people, to enable child sexual exploitation, or to facilitate money laundering by organised crime or sanctioned individuals, companies or countries. All banks want to avoid regulators' fines, and all regulators want financial services to do more. At RedCompass Labs, we do want to open the doors of finance to all, but we also believe that ISO 20022 is one of the key moments that must be seized to protect those who enter and to protect banks from criminals using their systems like a parasite using its host. ISO 20022 is not just an IT problem or project, it's a small piece of XML that might just help change the world. If you need any support in assessing the impact of the ISO 20022 migration on your financial crime systems, or if you feel overwhelmed by the new financial crime regulations, don't hesitate to contact us. We also provide fast start, monitoring and investigation services with a particular focus on modern slavery, human trafficking and child sexual exploitation. Finally, if you have any questions, comments or topic requests, feel free to leave a comment below. My team and I look forward to hearing from you.